Buying a spa pool? Wondering what time of year you should buy? Keep watching to find out. Spa pools are a fantastic way to relax and rejuvenate from the comfort of your home. If you're dreaming of a spa, you might be wondering what time of year is the best to buy. In this video, I'll explore the pros and cons of investing in a spa pool at different times of year so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with autumn and winter. This is the season for rugging up and staying cozy, so it makes sense this is a popular time for buying a spa. What are the pros of buying when the weather is cooler? Selection. Depending on your location, some spa retailers tend to have more stock in autumn and winter as opposed to the summer months, which means there could be a good range of spa models to choose from. This is particularly true in New Zealand and Australia, where Christmas falls during the summer, so you can avoid the seasonal rush. Less wait time. With more stock readily available, this may mean you won't have to wait as long for your spa to be delivered and installed. This will of course vary from store to store, so remember to check the delivery time frame with your preferred retailer before you buy. Off-peak sales. Everyone loves a good bargain, and sometimes you can find yourself a great deal during the off-peak season. Remember to ask your retailer what specials they have available so you can compare pricing. What about the cons of buying in autumn and winter? Landscaping delays. If you're making changes to your outdoor area to accommodate your new spa, wet weather can sometimes cause unforeseen delays. Bear this in mind when planning your installation to ensure your backyard is ready in time. So that's the winter time covered. Let's move on to spring and summer. What are the benefits of buying a spa at this time of year? Holiday sales. One of the big advantages of buying a spa in spring or summer is you can land yourself a great holiday deal. Keep an eye out for Boxing Day and New Year sales, but also some stores offer attractive prices leading into Christmas as well. Good weather. More sunshine hours means the grass is drier and it's an enjoyable time to be in the garden. This is a great time of year to get your outdoor area refurbished and ready for your spa's new arrival. Cooler spas. A lot of people don't realise that spa water can be cold as well as hot. You can cool down the temperature of your spa water for a refreshing dip during the summer months. If you don't have a heat pump, the water won't be cooler than the ambient temperature. However, if you've invested in a spa heat pump, you can cool or heat it to any temperature. Heat pumps are super energy efficient and can save you up to 75% in electricity costs. So if you have the budget, it's a good consideration. How about the cons of buying in spring or summer? Not as much selection. Summer sales and Christmas demand can mean lower stock levels, so you may have less to choose from at this time of year. Delivery and installation wait time. Higher demand and holiday breaks can mean a longer wait period for your spa to be installed during summer. So that's an overview of how the different times of year compare when you're buying a spa pool. Whether or not time of year is a consideration for you, come in and speak with our spa pool specialists at Spa World.